It is always a great happening for me, not the pleasure, to come to the Info Park and see some of the young techies. After John has taken over as the CEO of the park, it is my first visit. I know him for quite some time, very dynamic, and I'm sure that more and more technology will be brought by him, which will help the world. Well, as far as the development activities are concerned, the Info Park Kochi is second to none. It has done excellently well in the last few years, and most of the IT measures are functioning from this campus with happiness. I have the first-hand experience with them, and they are happy and they are doing well. Well, the pandemic has changed the situation. People are working from home. I'm sure that it must have affected a little bit of business. But going by the profits of the IT measures, I think that they have also produced things from adversity, giving the best of the facilities, etc. And in that, the Info Park also has played a crucial role, as I understand. So encouraging the people even working from home and supporting them virtually and also to some extent physically, John and his team has done extremely well. Now coming to the KMRL, my only actually expectation, wish is to have a close tie-up with the Info Park Kochi. They have here who are looking after the transport sector also as their clients inside the campus. Notwithstanding that, many other IT developments can be done which will be people-centric, which will help the KMRL to rise to the next technological level. There are immense scope for optimally using the IT towards the service of the people. The IT which has been used in KMRL needs upgradation, amendments, good patches and so on. And I am sure the CEO Info Park will help us in actually bridging those gaps, technological gaps, and do well. Once we use more technology, we will be closer to the people, we will do better business and we will give better services. And we will be shortly having an interaction with the CTOs of various companies here to put forth our views and also get some ideas from them to take the IT in the KMRL to the next level. We are now doing the water metro, which will be the first of its kind in the whole of Asia. We will be requiring more technological support, and we will come back to the Info Park after jotting down our requirements. I once again thank John and his team for inviting me and discussing various issues with me and giving a beautiful lunch. And I wish I could have spent a little more time, but virtually we'll be certainly interacting and take the things to the next level. Thank you.